Welcome back, everyone. You may be having an issue where you keep running into this song is currently unavailable on Instagram. Now, the reason why this keeps coming up, at least in your specific example, is because the song itself is not, located in the location that you're in. So what does that mean? Well, quite possibly the song licenses that Instagram has for these specific songs are just not available in your location. Now, this is actually very common and it's much more common than you would imagine. And so, the first thing I'd recommend doing here is if you're in a location where the song may not be available, there's really not too much else you can do. You can try going on YouTube, finding that song, and then possibly screen recording that song and making a video over it. That's one thing you can do. But another thing you can do is make your way over to your app store like this, Google Play Store, whichever app you're using, and you want to go and type in Instagram. So, you want to go and type in Instagram just like this. So you want to go and type in Instagram like this, and you want to see if there's an update available for your application. So you can see there's an update available for me. So what I can possibly do is update my Instagram app, and that may end up fixing it for me. Again, it's not quite a guarantee, but that is the first thing I'd recommend doing. Now, if that doesn't work, another thing I'd recommend doing is making your way back over to your Instagram app. You may want to go ahead and possibly see if you can temporarily change the location of your specific device itself. So if you have the opportunity to, you want to go ahead and make your way back over to your settings of your phone. So whether it's iPhone or Android, whatever it is, you want to find the region section of your specific device. So in this case on iPhones, it's right here, language and region. And right here under region, you can try changing the region of your device to a different region where that song may be available. In the United States, a lot of songs are available. So if you change it back to the United States, this may be one way to do it. You can also try a VPN service of some sort. You can just type in VPN on the App Store and find a VPN that way and just use the ones that you like. And from there, you want to go back into Instagram. You may want to delete the application or log out and log back in. And you may want to go ahead and try looking at those songs again. And there may be another way to go ahead and fix it. If that still doesn't work or you can guarantee that the song should be available to you, you can delete Instagram, re-download it, try that specific method out. That may end up working as well. Again, not a guarantee, but it's another thing that may end up fixing it for you as well. If you're still having issues, that may be a situation where Instagram is temporarily down. So you may just have to wait until Instagram actually comes back up. You can check downdetector.com or some other websites, and that may end up actually fixing it for you. So there's a few different ways to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, then let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.